Welcome to Ilocos Norte. Ilocos Norte. In Ilocano, amyanan nga Ilocos. In Filipino, Hilagang Ilocos. Is a province of the Philippines located in the Ilocos region in Luzon. Its capital is Laoag City and it's located at the northwest corner of Luzon Island, bordering Cagayan de Apayao to the east, and Abra and Ilocos Sur to the south. Ilocos Norte faces the South China Sea to the west and the Luzon Strait to the north. Laoag City. The capital city of Ilocos Norte is 463 kilometers north of Manila. The municipalities of San Nicolas, Paway, Sarat, Bintar, and Bacara form its boundaries. The foothills of the Cordillera Central Mountain range to the east, and the South China Sea to the west are its physical boundaries. The province specializes in the following products and industries. In agriculture, they have rice, corn, garlic, tobacco, and other fruits and vegetables. In fishery, they have tilapia and assorted fishes. In manufacturing and food processing, they have salt, empanada, bugoong, patis, basi, or a native Ilocano wine, vinegar, longganisa, chicharon, bagnet, or chicharon cornic, jewelry, garments, cereal processing, packaging, mechanized processing equipment.